Hello guys, this is the workflow to sending the bulk email. About 5,650 emails we are going to send using the Amazon send email simple email service. uh, uh, and this is the workflow. We are completely run on n8n locally, no server required, only you require the Google Sheet like that. So you have the list of the name and the email addresses and the status, either email sent or not sent. So you just upload all those emails from the Google Sheet and check if the email already sent or not. If the email is not sent, then loop through each and every single email and send that email address and the body to AWS simple email service. And once the email successfully sent, so workflow update the status and then wait 5 seconds, because this is the bulk email sending, so we have to wait around 5 seconds to send the emails between time. Okay, so please do not use Gmail or simple email services to send the email. Only use the services which allow the bulk emails. For example, Amazon SES, Amazon SES, okay, and SendGrid as well. SendGrid as well. Don't use the send email, because this is not for the bulk emails. Okay, so if this is the this is the workflow which completely run on Docker in local machine, and we have connected through the Google Drive and the simple email services as well. Okay, if anyone want this kind of workflow, please do let me know. Okay, thank you.